Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. I just got dressed. I'm wearing my Amazon bodysuit with some high-waisted leggings. Jeans. Had a really rough morning. I'd laid in bed most of the day. It's actually 12:15 now. We're getting picked up in 15 minutes, so I might fill you in a second. But long story short, they went up to snowboard today. There was like a wind advisory, so the slopes were closed. So I stayed in bed all morning, very shaky. I was gonna eat in a minute, get my herbs. I also was thinking about going to the hot tub. But then Kyle ran up and he's like, we're gonna go to a coffee shop, wanna come? And I was like, I'm not even ready. So I'm literally shaking so bad because he made me an egg really quick. But my body's just reacting to something today. So been a rough morning, but got dressed now in a real hurry. And gonna head out with the family to a coffee shop, so that'll be fun. Okay, we went to a coffee shop and I have my water. Kyle got some coffee. We have made it home. Still cold, so I haven't taken off my coat yet. I'm getting a little bit of food and my herbs, and Kyle's making me a latte since I couldn't have any at the coffee shop. We got really cold waiting for that shuttle, but it was fun to be out for a little bit. Glad to be back. Upstairs now. It is 3:54. So today has gone by quickly, but I'm grateful I went with them and that it wasn't super long. I think I mentioned tonight is going out to dinner night, and honestly I don't really feel like I could go, but I might try. We'll see. Came back, Kyle made me coffee, and then they all had leftover pizza, and then I had salad with chicken, and then I was still a little bit hungry, so I had carrots and a healthy hot dog. So I warmed up a little bit more to drink, and I took one herb. I'm going to take my second after I'm not so full. But I need to lay down for a while and just listen to something or watch something for at least an hour or two, but honestly most likely until we got tonight, which again is not until 8. So probably be up here. We need some downtime now. Update, it's 6 o'clock. I've taken my next herbs. Probably take my next ones in about 20 minutes. I've been in the room, which has felt good. I'm getting really tired. I'm like, okay, can I make it another 2 hours? I'm really trying, because like I said, it sounds good to get food and to be with everyone. And I think they have like chicken I can have there. Some people went to go take pictures at the base, and others, like Kyle, has been playing a game. Lay here a little while longer, and then we'll be headed out for dinner. I don't normally go out 2 times in a day, but tomorrow I definitely won't be going anywhere. It is 7:15 and we are getting our shuttle at 7:30 for dinner. So grab my boots, got my coat, and I'm gonna go downstairs and meet up with the family. We just finished dinner. It was amazing, so good. Grateful I could come and be with the family, a lot of fun. Got some really cute footage of the little ones too. So now we're waiting on our shuttle. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday and I took my bath and shower. It's 11:16 here. I've taken my herbs. I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some eggs. The family is all gone. They've gone either skiing or snowboarding or out to brunch. Okay, it is now about 6 o'clock. I am getting bundled up because we are going to go to the base of the mountain. Some of them on Friday are going to go up and meet everyone and have lunch, but I decided I'm fine to just go out the base. It's beautiful either way. I'm going to go ahead and go with them, and then maybe we can take some pictures. It's pretty cold out, so I'm opening some hand warmers now to get those activated. I'm just gonna go with North Face, jacket, Kyle's hat, and then my coat, and hopefully it won't be too cold. But it's gonna be so pretty, so let's go. We're headed to the base now. Okay, we came to the base. We took some family pictures. Now we're waiting on the shuttle. Kyle and I are gonna go that way back versus walking, but I'm really glad I came. So pretty. Lots of people doing night skiing and snowboarding, and then right now people are ice skating, which is really cool too. Kyle's with me. We just came back on the shuttle. Temperature like 14, I think. Probably a little chillier now because that was a little earlier, but oh, it is freezing. When we came in, I was trying to walk up the steps and I couldn't even get my legs to move. They were, you know, when you like work out and you like a burnout, it was like that. I couldn't even, they were shaking so bad. My camera's still freezing. I'm sure I'll post a lot of those pictures on Instagram if you want to go check those out. That was fun, wasn't it, honey? Kyle on the way back, what did you say to me?
Best vacation.
Yeah, he said, this is just the best vacation ever. And that just made me so happy because if you can do something like snowboarding, which is your favorite sport, that just makes me so happy. Okay, so I think we're gonna have fajitas for dinner and then hang out with the family. And then tomorrow is actually our last day. So, full day, we leave Saturday. Kyle has another day of snowboarding. They're gonna see if they could possibly snowboard Saturday morning before they leave since it was closed yesterday. He said it's a blackout weekend, so I'm not sure if it's open or not. So they're gonna try though, so hopefully they can get use out of their last ticket or day. And then yeah, so the family might be getting a shuttle or they might be walking back. But we left right after we took some pictures and looked around for a little bit. And we got there about 5 minutes before them. But tomorrow I'm gonna be home all day, and then we're going out to eat for the second time. Well, they've gone out a couple, but going out to eat tomorrow night for last night. And I hope to go with them as well. Just love, like I said, that Kyle's doing his favorite thing, snowboarding. And that makes like the pain and physical aspect of like me not feeling good and still going on this trip so much more worth it. I fill my water and catch my breath a little bit, and we're gonna warm up by the fire.
I think you're gonna like the footage I did.
Yeah? I didn't even talk about that.
I didn't use it on the helmet. I did on the stick instead.
Oh. I'm excited to see. Actually, why don't we just show you guys now? So here's Kyle's day of snowboarding today. A few runs that he's done, and hope you enjoy as much as he did.
Okay. It's cold. We're out here. Excellent dismount, boys. Excellent. Wow, you've made an interesting decision.
This looks a bit treacherous.
Can I get a hail? Yeah! Woo! Press the long press. Should start counting. Is it counting? Yeah. Bada boom! We filming. We filming. Update?
I feel good.
Feel good. We lost Drew. We have everyone but Drew.
I'm like, who's this guy that won't pass? Like, I'm slowing down, letting you go and everything. You just keep cutting right behind me.
Oh yeah.
I'm starting to look, I'm like, oh, it's Kyle. And then I started snowboarding.
I was like seeing how close.
I am going so slow. I can't go slow. And this guy's still hanging out.
I was trying so hard to see how close I could get.
Okay, we are, I just, ugh. Okay. Excuse me, choke. I wanted to share with you guys, I got a package today from Beauty by Earth, and these are for the giveaways in May in honor of Lyme Disease Awareness Month. So I'm gonna open them and show you what they are. So exciting, so make sure to head over to my Instagram. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is follow the company, follow me, tag some friends, like the post. You can also repost it and tag the company and myself for bonus entries. I really appreciate you guys entering because that shows the companies how appreciative we are being so small. This is a huge deal for Lyme Disease Awareness Month that they're willing to do this. I gotta tell you guys, this oil is the best. I use it daily. It is my favorite. These two are new. I'm gonna try. I'm really excited, but I have a feeling I'll love them because I absolutely love, you guys know I love their self-tanner, and I love this face oil. Next up are Trace Minerals. Absolutely love these. I've been using these for the past few years. Kyle uses them too. Their magnesium's really good. Kyle takes that daily. I just started taking this NAC powder. Again, make sure to check them out. It's a huge deal that they're willing to give away these products in honor of Lyme Disease Awareness Month. So love to show the company some love by having you guys enter. Hopefully you can win some great things. Next giveaway are what I use daily and love. They're great support. Are the NutriBRT, BRL, and BBS herbs from Nutrimedics. Next is a bottle of the Branch Basics All-Purpose Cleaner. As you can see, I use it often. This has been refilled a few times. Absolutely love it. Lastly is a detox kit containing cilantro, sparga, and berberine pinilla from Nutrimedics. All wonderful detox supports.